Hi, I am Dr. Frank with Oakdale OBGYN, and today I wanted to chat with everybody about my top 5 tips for having a nice, healthy bladder. So the first thing that I always tell patients is to stay well hydrated. We know that having a lot of water and drinking throughout the day is always going to be something that will help out with your bladder. Staying away from certain things that's going to irritate it more, which is usually the good things, but like caffeine, coffee, sugary drinks, alcohol, trying to avoid that or limit that is always a good thing as well for your bladder health. Another thing is to wipe front to back. The key thing with this is just staying hygienic and keeping everything clean. A third tip that I always have is being able to cue into when your bladder needs to go, but trying not to go too often. Generally, we usually say to aim somewhere between every 3 to 4 hours to go to the bathroom and empty your bladder. My fourth tip is actually when you do go to the bathroom to let your bladder just do its thing. Let it empty on its own. We're all really busy. We're running around, getting things ready for the holidays and working and juggling everything. So it's really easy to go in and just try and push out that urine to be as quick as possible. But it's actually better for your bladder if you just try and relax and let the bladder empty on its own. If you are working to get the urine out, over time your bladder learns that it needs to rely on you pushing to get the urine out, and that can cause problems in the long run. And then my fifth tip, as if we don't need any more reasons to exercise and be active, but we know that the more active you are, the more active your body is, just the easier it is for your bladder to function the way it's supposed to. So this doesn't necessarily mean you have to be out running marathons or going to the gym and lifting the heaviest weights possible, but just being active every day for at least 30 minutes, trying to get that heart rate up a little bit is perfect. Even something as simple as walking and enjoying the weather.